I'll show you how you can blur something out in a particular video with iMovie. So first of all, I have my iMovie project open with a sample video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to hide something. So for example, if I scale the video, you can see everything is visible right now, right? If I scale it down back, what I want to do, let's say, is I want to hide this particular slides. I just want to show the first one. I don't want to show the others. So the first thing what I will do is I will press Shift Command and 4. This will give me this option to take a screenshot. I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this side panel which I want to hide. Now once I will have that image, it will be available in my desktop. I actually have to, so that's why you are not able to see that, but here's the image. Okay, I'm going to place that right above this timeline line, so you can see this image has taken the whole screen. So first thing first, we don't want that to be happen. We don't want it to be taking that rectangular shape in horizontal way, because it is like a vertical rectangle. We want to make sure that it takes its own space, because right now it's cropped down to this rectangle. We want to take the whole, so we will click on fit, so this way it will be taken whole. If we go back, now you can see, like, rather than video, this particular part was replaced by image, because like the image is kind of above the video and like it's removing the video. So what we need to do is we need to click on picture in picture, so that we have both image as well as the video same time. Now this is the image. Let me click on the image. Here we go. This is the image. All we need to do is just scale it so that it takes this whole space. Now in short, like in this particular size, you might be thinking like there is not much of a blur, but let me show you by clicking on done and then scaling that. So you can see it's blurred out now, right? So it's quite easy. Now if you will play the video, what you will see, there is a little bit of fade in, right? Let me show you the video again. So focus on this particular part. You can see there is a little bit of fade, right? So to get rid of it, right now what I did was like increase this. So now I'm going to increase this a little bit, and not that much, this much. So you can see these you just need to take them. Let me just take this one and make it to the end, and similarly for this one too. Now if I will play this, make sure to focus on there. Okay, let me do that again. 0. Okay, so now if I will play, it will happen kind of instantly, not in kind of a fade in way. Now this is one way of hiding sensitive information. One of the other options which you can use is using a Chrome extension for web. So if you're doing something on the web, let's say you are on a website and you want to hide stuff. For example, I am on this web page and I want to hide the text or something of that nature. In that case, you can use this very handy Chrome extension, which is called Blur Web App. It's actually a browser extension available for Chrome, Opera, and even Safari as well. You can just click on the extension and you can just click to hide any information and double click to unhide it. Just select any part of the like you can click on images to hide, you can click on text to hide, you can click on the videos to hide, right? And just single click, and if you don't like it, maybe you want to unhide it, just click on it again and it will be like removed, the blur will be removed. Other option which this extension also have is like this blur area feature, which is one of my favorites. You can like select any part of any place. You don't have to be like kind of limited to the elements on the web page. You can just hide something. Let's say I wanted to hide only the face of this person, so I'm just going to scale down and I have hidden the face. Now let's say I am scrolling down and I wanted to hide something, maybe the face of the person on the video which is being played. So I'm going to click on blur area and then I'll place this over here, and you can see now it's blurred out, and we can do the same over here, and so on and so forth. So this is a very handy feature as well. There are other features. I will highly recommend go out, visit blurweb.app and learn more. Other than that, if you have any questions regarding how to blur out stuff or some elements in your video using iMovie, feel free to comment them down below and I'll be more than happy to help.